Bonus Ernach Oíche Shamhna, the Irish origins of Halloween. Díobh Chorja, Fáilte Rash ag an Canal. Hello everyone, you're very welcome back to the channel. Inyo, Bimuid Kainter Rud Beag Scanrúil, Bonus Ernach Oíche Shamhna. Today we're talking about something a little bit spooky, the Irish origins of Halloween. Sinna Geart, níor thosaigh Oíche Shamhna in America le Milseán agus Festis. That's right, Halloween did not start in America with sweets and costumes. Thosaigh sé anseo in Éireann na mílta bliain ó shin le féile d'Arbanam Samhain. It actually began right here in Ireland thousands of years ago with a festival known as Samhain. Mar sin, a Rylin, a Shane a dó a tree. Cod a bhí is Samhain. What was Samhain? Dara an fór, agus tú sangiri a bhí is Samhain. Samhain marked the end of the harvest and the beginning of winter. Dar leis na Celtic orsa, ba cheann de na féile bahabhachtaí sa bhliainaí. To the ancient Celts, it was one of the most important festivals of the year. Chreid siad go raibh an teorainn ón saol seo agus saol na marbh, an ghar dal chéile. They believed that the boundary between the living and the dead grew thin. Déadach le spridna agus shioga nó an éis sí teachtasteach in Arnaun. Fairies and spirits known as the Aes She could cross into our world. Lasú tínti móra le anmhíthe agus daoine a chosint. Huge fires were lit to protect people and animals. Agus fágu bruntanis bia amach leis na hanamnacha seo a cheansú. And offerings of food were left outside to please the wandering souls. Nósanna orsa Samhain, the ancient traditions of Samhain. Tágan galore the nósanna Oíche Shamhna an léineo ón na sean nósanna seo. Many of today's Halloween traditions come directly from those Samhain customs. Mar hampla ag gléasa sús, for example, dressing up. Cha daoine éadaí aisteacha leis na spridna a chormú. People wore disguises to confuse the spirits. Agus sin iad na chéad festis Oíche Shamhain ar domhan, and those were the first ever Halloween costumes. Agus sní pumpkini, thosaigh sé sin anseo le turnipi in Éireann. And carving pumpkins, that started here with turnips in Ireland. Chuir siad aigeanna scanrúla unto le quinal istí an. People would carve scary faces and put a candle inside. Chun na spridna ulca a chuirsúil to ward off evil spirits. Nuair a chuaigh na hÉireannaigh go America, fuair siad amach rois sé níos éasca pumpkin úsáid. When Irish immigrants went to America, they found out it was easier to use pumpkins. Agus rugu tradition nua, and a new tradition was born. Tinta agus fáistínacht, bonfires and fortune-telling. Bhí tinta móra ag grí lár na féile a gcónaí. Bonfires were a big part of Samhain. Tháinig pobal a chéile timpeall an tine don teas, calóra agus cosint. Communities gathered around huge fires for warmth, celebration and protection. Ba thrá é freisin do daoine feasa ag túr an bhliain le teacht. It was also a time for fortune tellers and predicting the year ahead. Bhí clifa cáilú lán le bairín breac, le fáinne, bán, nó cnapa istí ann. One popular game involved a loaf of breac with a ring, a coin or a button hidden inside. An duine a daimsí an fáinne dúra go bósach siad go luath. And whoever found the ring was supposed to marry soon. Mar sin, an chéad uair le méid tú breanú ar scanrúil nó ballú Milseán. So next time you're watching scary movies or out trick-or-treating, cuimhnig, thosaigh sé ar fád anseo in Éireann le Samhain. Remember, it all began right here in Ireland with the Samhain Festival. Féile tine, agla, agus spree a d'urber ina Oíche Shamhna atá aghainn inniu. A festival of fire, fear and fun that transformed into the Halloween we know today. Más má leat físeán faoi ochel nó scéalta Shamhna, aber sa trocht an a hís. If you'd like a video about Halloween words or legends, let me know in the comments below. Gura Malguiv agus Oíche Shamhna Honadív Gulair. Thank you so much and have a happy Halloween. A Shane a do a tree.